Yo, what's going on everybody? My name is Matthew Rush, aka Rush Trades, and this is going to be my weekly SPY analysis. Before we get into things, I would like to thank you all for showing support, as it is very much appreciated. Now, to begin my analysis, I usually like to open up a weekly chart on SPY. Alrighty, so looking at a weekly time frame, we can see here that we have been squeezing on the weekly for about 6 weeks now. On top of that, we have came up, made a high, a low, a higher high, and a higher low out of the golden zone as well from this swing low to swing high here. So personally, I believe that if we can get a break above last week's high, we should be able to come test up into this 418.54, and if we can break above there, we do have some resistance near this gap fill from 420 into 421, but if we do break above that, I think we can get up to this 430 area. So those will be the areas on watch for me to the upside, and to the downside I like to go into a smaller time frame because I don't have as many levels on this weekly time frame for the downside. So I'd like to go into a daily time frame first. Okay, so looking at the daily time frame, I only have a few levels of potential support to the downside. For starters, we have a couple gaps that need to be filled to the downside, so if we can get down to those levels, I will be watching for potential support there. The first one will be around this 404.50 to 404.35. Second will be from this 401.75 to 401.60, and the third will be if we can pull all the way back down to 398.68, and if we can even get down to 396.50, I like that level even better for potential support throughout the week. On top of that, I have a Fibonacci retracement bounce that I will be watching right around this 396.50 as well, so I do like this area a lot this week if we can get a pullback. To the upside here, I could see us getting a breakout of this 412 previous high, and if we can get that strong break up there, I don't have any resistance up until this 414, 415 area of supply, and if we can break above that, I don't see why we wouldn't come test this 418 area fib again. So those are going to be my key levels for the week. Not too much to it. I'm just going to watch price action in the area, see how we play out, and I'm going to be very patient this week. So those are my levels. I hope you all enjoy, and I hope you can learn something from how I chart them, and I'll be back next week to do the same thing. Thank you all again. Have a great night.